Hi guys, Rachael Cook, Doctor of Audiology at Applied Hearing Solutions in Phoenix, Arizona. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you the 4 secrets to getting the longest life out of your hearing aids. Coming up. If you have hearing aids or are looking to get new hearing aids, then you know that hearing treatment can be a significant investment in both time and money. This means you should be looking for ways to make your hearing aids last as long as possible. I constantly hear about individuals having to purchase new hearing aids simply because they didn't take care of the devices that they already had. With proper care and proactive maintenance, most hearing aid users are able to get 5 to 7 years or more out of their devices. However, on average, most hearing aid users are actually repurchasing about every 4.4 years. Hearing aids are essentially small computers that you wear in or behind your ear, and they reside in a pretty harsh environment for an electronic device. The tiny precision components in hearing aids are exposed to dead skin cells, hair and skin oil, as well as moisture and earwax from inside of the ear canal. And if they're being used for the recommended wear time, which is 90% of your waking hours, there stands the potential that they're running for 8 to 16 hours a day, all week long, every week of the year. That's why in this video, I'll be telling you 4 secrets to getting the most life out of your hearing aids. But before we do that, if you could give this video a thumbs up to bring videos like these to a wider audience. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe with notification bell so you never miss any one of our new videos. I really appreciate it. Now, let's jump into the first secret to extending the life of your hearing aids, which is routine care and maintenance. Depending on the quality of your hearing aid fitting and follow-up process, many patients are never taught or may have forgotten how to properly clean their hearing aids. There are 3 main parts of a hearing aid that require routine maintenance: the microphones, the wax guards, and if you have a custom hearing aid or custom ear mold, the vents. The location of your hearing aid microphones will depend on the make and model, but these microphones should be cleaned weekly. This can be done with small hearing aid brushes or can be done with a soft bristle toothbrush. Just make sure that you label it appropriately as hearing aids only. Using a gentle amount of pressure, lightly brushing the microphones helps to remove buildup from hair products, skin oil, dust, and sweat. Most hearing aids also have a wax guard or wax filter that's located at the end of the receiver wire, ear mold, or body of a custom hearing aid. If wax accumulates in the wax guard, the sound from the hearing aid is weakened significantly, and it may even sound like the hearing aid is completely dead. And in the event built up wax migrates beyond the wax filter and into the hearing aid receiver, this can damage your device and require repair. Nearly every hearing aid make and model uses a different type of wax guard, so be sure to reach out to your hearing healthcare provider if you need replacements. Changing the wax guards is dependent on the amount of earwax that you create, but a good rule of thumb is to change the wax guards out as needed. And if you deal with consistent earwax buildup, just play it safe and change out the wax guards once a month. While dirty vents will not shorten the lifespan of your devices, it can change the acoustics of your hearing aids and decrease your hearing performance. So if you have vents, it's a good idea to clean them consistently using either a vent brush or a cleaning stave. Even if you feel confident in the cleaning and maintenance of your hearing aids, you should still follow up with your provider every 3 to 6 months, as we have methods and tools that will result in an even deeper clean. Providers can often disassemble your hearing aids and use extremely small vacuums to suction out debris from even the smallest spaces, resulting in a much deeper clean than you can do yourself. The second secret to extending the life out of your hearing aids is to consider the ways that moisture may be impacting your devices. Depending on where you live, work, or travel, humidity can accumulate in your devices, decreasing their performance. Even with an IP rating of 68, which is the highest moisture resistance rating that a hearing aid can have, moisture can still wreak havoc on your devices. Moisture issues can also arise from activities that present sweat to the hearing aids, such as hiking, biking, or walking the golf course. For these reasons, consider storing disposable battery hearing aids in a dry aid jar or using an electronic hearing aid dryer. And if you have rechargeable hearing aids, your charger may have space for a small desiccant pack that can remove moisture from the hearing aids while they're charging. Although it's a pretty popular place to keep them, if you're currently storing or charging your hearing aids in the bathroom, you should move them to a location that has a lower humidity level. And if your work or hobbies really have you sweating, you may want to consider purchasing hearing aid covers, such as ear gear, that help to wick away moisture from the hearing aids. And if your hearing aids ever get really soaked, like getting into the shower with them or diving into the pool, make sure you find a provider with a Redux system that can remove every last drop of moisture. The third secret to extending the life of your hearing aids is to know just how their batteries work. If you have rechargeable hearing aids, they may charge inductively without battery contacts or require contact with battery contacts. Regardless, both the charger and the hearing aid must be clean and free of buildup. Without completing maintenance of your charger, you may find that your hearing aids are not charging efficiently or reliably. Hearing aids with disposable batteries have battery compartments that can accumulate debris and corrosion due to sweat and moisture. It's important to complete routine checks of the battery compartment to ensure it is clear of any buildup that could work its way into the hearing aids. If you plan to store hearing aids away for a while, be sure to remove any batteries from the hearing aids before doing so. And the fourth secret to extending the life of your hearing aids is to request an end-of-warranty refurbishment. While you are within your warranty period, many hearing aid manufacturers will complete checkups of your hearing aids to repair any missing or damaged parts, and they may even replace the hearing aids altogether. This is especially important to have completed if you are nearing the end of your warranty period, as they will inspect and repair the unit while you still have coverage, allowing you to avoid any repair fees from the manufacturers. For this reason, make sure you know when your warranty ends and know what your warranty covers, including repair, losses, and damages. Many hearing aid manufacturers and third-party companies, such as ESCO, will allow you to extend your repair or loss and damage warranty coverage even after the initial warranty has lapsed. This warranty extension is especially important if you have already had one or both of your hearing aids replaced after a loss, as the manufacturer will not cover a second replacement without this coverage. All right, there you go. Those are the 4 secrets to help you get the most out of your hearing aids and extend the life of them for years to come. Employing these simple tasks can help you save thousands of dollars and a lot of headaches due to costly repairs and hearing aid replacements. Because the last thing you want to have to do is replace your hearing aids sooner than expected because you didn't take good care of them. That's it for this video. If you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and share it with someone that you think could use it. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe so that you never miss any of our new videos on our channel.